our train! Oh, get off our train! You're still playing with that train or you get into bed immediately. You know you have to be up early for school tomorrow. Here is your pajama cush dog I found in under a cushion in the sitting room. Now sit down and go to sleep. We are ready to go now. Don't make too much noise with the shovel. If there's time, we can have a picnic. I look as if it is going to be foggy away. If we can play ghosts. Get off our train! Please let me come with you on your train. Some is coming to cut off my toes, and soon there will be none of us left. It's going to be a very hot day. If it is, we must find some wheel for a swing. Get off our train! Please let me come with you on your train. I fell in the sea. I won't have NO2 is because people are making the water very dirt. And they are catching too many fish. And soon there will be none of us left. I think there is going to be a strong wind. If we can fly kite. Get off our train! Please let me come with you on your train. I live in the marshes and draining the water out of them. I can't live on dry land, and soon there will be none of us left. It looks as if it is going to rain soon. If it does, we can mask about with umbrellas. Get off our train! Please let me come with you on your train. They are cutting down the forest where I live, and soon there will be none of us left. I think there is energy snow now. If there is, we can throw snowballs. Get off our train! Please let me ride on your train. I live in the frozen north, and somebody wants my fork to make a cut out of, and soon there will be none of us left. If this does not stop snowing, soon we are going to get stuck. We must go back now. I have to get to school in the morning. You must get up immediately, or you will be late for school. There are lots of animals in the house. There are elephants in the hall, a seal in the bath, a crow in the washing, a tiger on the steel, and a polar bear by the fringe. Is this anything to do with you? The